answer to your skin and hair woes hiding in your balcony? Because truth is, plants and flowers have been used for centuries for medicinal and beauty purposes. Hi guys, मैं हूँ नियति और आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी about 3 house plants with amazing beauty benefits. पर उससे पहले हमेशा की तरह go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and also tap on the bell icon ताकि आप हमेशा updated रहो every time we post a new video. तो सबसे पहला हाउस प्लांट है एलोवेरा. अब एलोवेरा एक बहुत ही कॉमन हाउस प्लांट है, बट डिड यू नो इट इज पैक्ड विद विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स एंड एंटी-इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज दैट आर गोइंग टू हेल्प सूथ द स्किन. एट द सेम टाइम इट इज गोइंग टू प्रमोट स्किन सेल टर्नओवर. But instead of breaking the leaves apart and squeezing out the gel, I recommend using aloe vera in its formulated form as a topical treatment. Take a look at this gel. This is the Lakme 925 Natural Aloe Aqua Gel. अब इसमें है 100% स्किन सेफ नेचुरल एलोवेरा जो कि एक नॉन स्टिकी और लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला में पाया जाता है. You can use this particular gel to soothe and hydrate your skin. साथ ही एलोवेरा makes as a great primer, so you can use this gel as a primer right before makeup application. अब दूसरा house plant with plenty of beauty benefits is thyme. Now thyme, as we know, has antibacterial properties. Now that is because of the presence of thymol and carvacrol in this herb. When you use thyme in the form of a skincare ingredient, it is going to stop the growth of acne-causing bacteria, thereby preventing chances of blemishes and breakouts. तो अगर आपकी skin acne prone है, then I really recommend using a facial scrub that is infused with thyme, which is going to help keep your pores clean. Now here is my recommendation. This is a simple daily skin detox clear pore scrub. ये स्क्रब आपके पोर्स के अंदर की ऑयल, डर्ट और बाकी सारी इम्प्योरिटीज को जेंटली निकाल देगा. साथ ही इसमें थाइम के अलावा विच हेजल और जिंक भी है. ये तीनों ही इंग्रेडिएंट्स बहुत ही जेंटल येट सुपर इफेक्टिव है और आपकी स्किन इसके वजह से काफी क्लीन और सॉफ्ट रहेगी. और आखिर में द लास्ट हाउस प्लांट विद अमेजिंग ब्यूटी बेनिफिट्स इज लैवेंडर. Now lavender, as we all know, is amazing for the skin, but did you know lavender also has many hair benefits? For instance, lavender is antiseptic and has anti-inflammatory properties which basically are going to stop the growth of any kind of fungi and bacteria. So when you do use lavender infused products on your hair or your scalp, it is going to treat problems such as dryness, itching and even dandruff. So here are some lavender infused hair products that you must give a go. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. इस particular duo में है कुछ ethically sourced ingredients such as fresh hand-cut lavender, Moroccan argan oil and 100% organic coconut oil. Now argan oil and coconut oil are both highly moisturizing, which means that it's going to reduce frizz, tame flyaways and it's going to restore shine and smoothness back into your hair. Additionally, what I've noticed is that the scent of lavender and vanilla lingers through my hair for hours. So guys, ये थे 3 house plants with amazing beauty benefits. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. And while you're at it, ring the bell icon ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहो every time we post a new video. Here's a goodbye from me and my planters.